flow pathway goes as follows. Fluid enters the inlet port, goes to the fluid control manifold on the underside of the machine. From there, it is passed over to the feed pump inlet, where it's pressurized to the desired pressure at the and then passed by the outlet back to the high pressure portion of the fluid manifold. From there, the fluid is further passed on to the loop pump along this line. The loop pump will accelerate the flow up to the proper cross flow speed, send it through a heat exchanger, and at new temperature it will be conducted back to the manifold to then go back and come out to the first filter housing up top. The fluid will then flow through the first upper housing, come down to here. This three-way bypass will control whether it goes directly from there to the outlet or continues to go through the next three housings. If it goes through the next three housings, the fluid will then be passed through this block manifold to the second housing, come up, move around to the third housing, come back down, move around to the fourth housing, come back up, and then return back to the fluid manifold, where it will then be passed back to the loop pump to be set for further loops. Any fluid leaving the system will leave by passing over the high pressure relief valve, which will control the system pressure. Fluid that exceeds the system pressure will leave through the concentrate port, and fluid that passed through the filter to be filtered into clean solvent will leave the permeate port. On every pass, a certain amount of fluid leaves the system and is replaced by new feed that is topped into the loop by the feed pump. In that manner, the operation is run continuously with new fluid constantly being fed and split into the filtered and unfiltered components.